Vaheguru, students, we are doing exercise 12.2. Next question is bache construction of the parallelogram ABCD, where it is given AB is 5.5 centimeter, BC is 6.2, and one angle that is given 150 degree. Let us take a base as BC. First of all, in the first step, we should draw the line segment BC 6.2 centimeter. Here 6.2 here. This is the point and this is from the 0. Now we should draw this line segment. First of all, that is 6.2 centimeter. B and C 6.2 centimeter. First step is draw a line segment. Now bache, next is firstly there is given one angle, we have to construct the parallelogram. What are the parallelogram properties? The opposite sides are equal. So if BC is equal, if here we will draw A or D point, yes, because we have to construct ABCD. So if BC is given here 6.2 and AD is also 6.2. First of all, we have to draw an angle that is on point C 150 degree. Firstly, make a half circle, semicircle which we call. From here, this is the angle 60 from this point, and from the angle 60 here, this is angle 120 degree. Next, from 120, this is an angle 180 degree. See, angle 150 is lies between angle 180 and 120. So on the angle 120, put your arc and put your compass and draw an arc. Firstly, draw an arc on 180 and put your compass on 120 angle and cut this arc. So this is the required angle which we could known as 150 degree. This is the 150 degree. So we should join as in line with this angle, that is 150 degree. Join this to the, so this angle is considered as 150 degree. We should measure with the D. See here everybody, this is 150 degree angle. Next is we here from AB's measurement is given 5.5 centimeter. So from the B, as we should consider as a center, we should draw an arc up to 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. If suppose this is 5.5 centimeter, these are the opposite sides. So from the C also 5.5 centimeter. Yes. If this is BC 6 centimeter, upside also AD is also 6.2 centimeter. Let us given this name, that is A. Join with A and B, that is the measurement of it is 5.5 centimeter. If this is 5.5, this is also, and if this is 6.2, upside also opposite sides are equal. So again open your compass 6.2 and cut the 5.5 arc with the 6.2. We should cut here. so it will be cut. This is the required point, that is point D. So here we will join these points A and D and C and A and D. So measurement of A and D is the 6.2 centimeter and B and C and D is 5.5 centimeter. See, you can measure from the scale. This is 5.5, this is 6.2. So this is the required parallelogram ABCD with the construction of the one angle when the sides are given and one angle is given. Next question is question number 3rd. Construction of the rhombus. Construct a rhombus which is given here PQRS. Given is PQ 8 centimeter and angle Q is given 75 degree. Now again बच्चे, if we are talking about the properties of the rhombus, all sides are equal. So first of all we should draw a base, or we can call about the line segment, that is 8 centimeter. Construct a line segment which is 8 centimeter. So this is the point, here 8, and this is the initial point. We should construct a line segment 8 centimeter. Name of the line segment is PQ 8 centimeter. On the Q we should draw the one angle that is given here 75 degree. So open your compass freehand and draw a semicircle firstly. See, 75 degree angle is lies between 60 degree and 90 degree. So from this point, that is a 60 degree angle. From 60, that is 120. As you know, from the 60 draw an arc, and from 120 cut this arc. This is the required, this is the 90 degree angle. So we should draw here line of the 90 degree angle. See, between these two, between the 90 and between the 60, there is existence of the 75 degree angle. So from the 90 degree we should draw here one arc. This is a 90 degree. Draw here one arc, and from 60 cut this arc. So we should join with the point Q this line. So this is the angle that is 75 degree. You can measure from the D. This is 75 degree angle. See, this is 70, and from the C point again this is 75. See, if this is 8 centimeter, its all sides are equal. So open the compass up to 8 centimeter and draw the other line segments QR. Here we should draw, and here also 8 centimeter. From here cut this arc, and from here we should also cut this arc. So these are, we should join here. So this is the construction of the rhombus with base that is given. Also 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and upside also 8 centimeter. So this is the required construction of the rhombus P, Q, R and S.